What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Y'all already know what it is. If you don't, this could vibrate Valentine. This is Hood Money Investing. I want to jump right into this. For those out there that are holding shares of SOS Limited, those that are standing 10 toes down, I wanted to holler at y'all. Because with all this AMC nonsense going on, I think it's distracting people from the other side of the market, and it's definitely keeping people away from crypto. And being as though crypto is falling the way that it has, like 50, 60%, it's causing a lot of people to jump out, and they don't understand what's about to take place in years to come. I'm still learning a lot when it comes to cryptocurrency. One of the reasons why I'm invested in SOS Limited is because I didn't jump on Riot earlier when a friend happened to tell me about it. We send messages and blog about, different stocks, and a friend gave me some advice. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an investing guru. You got to have your own due diligence. You got to do your own homework when you get out there on the block. You got to watch out for the cops when it comes to stocks. You know what I'm saying? And the shields and the bots. So you got to get out there and make sure you do your own homework, man. It's real. But a friend told me about it, man. It was right. And I was swing trading it. I was making some money, but I didn't buy shares, which was stupid. And I didn't know too much about companies that were mining, Bitcoin and Ethereum and other altcoins, right? And it just exploded. And I missed out when I didn't buy shares, in my opinion, because I'm an investor. That's the reason why when it comes to AMC, that's why I'm making certain moves, buying, selling, selling the, buying the, the dips and selling the rips, because you'll have these big rips and then you'll have these dips, and you can make money off of that, whether you're swing trading, day trading, or buying shares, a particular amount of shares, selling them in and out, of the market, while you keep a certain amount. That's how I do it. Okay. And I happen to know that AMC was going to run like GameStop. You see what I'm saying? So that's another reason why I'm doing it. But when it comes to SOS Limited, like I said, I didn't know about, I knew about mining, but I just wasn't caught up and as, on it as most, I'm still learning a lot, like I said. And, I missed Riot. You got Mirror. There's a few companies that mine. And I decided to do some homework on SOS Limited. At the time, it was about 16, 17 bucks, something like that. Then it just plummeted because all the bad news that happened to come out. But if you go, I was on Doco. You can go check out Doco. It's like you can look up like SEC filings and data, and you could look at the matter of fact, I think I can check it out. Hold on. Let me see. Because, this is stuff that let me see. Okay. Yeah, right here, like the financials, you could look up, check out the dashboard, the news. And this is one of the reasons why, I'm still strong on SOS. I've actually, put money in my other accounts to buy more, because this is just, I just believe in SOS. And just based on the information, the news, and the articles, I think it's going to be good, man. Even though they're cracking down on crypto in China, it's certain parts that, are still mining crypto. You see, and SOS and every other mining company just will come to the United States. That's all they'll do, if they're allowed. And SOS has already got a joint venture with Niagara Development LLC in New Jersey. You see, they were even given a data tech reward or some big tech reward in China. You know what I mean? So when it comes to SOS Limited, man, I'm 10 toes down, man. I'm damn near 1,000 shares in one of my accounts. I'm going to up it hundreds in other accounts because I just believe in the stock. I mean, if we can get to $20 or $30, that's a win. I mean, we're down at $3. You see what I'm saying? So as you can see right there, joint venture with Niagara Development accelerates blockchain operations in the United States. We had about a month, 2 months ago, they just got about 6,000 more mining rigs. So I think SOS Limited is building a strong company. That's just my opinion. Remember, you have to do your own homework. And with Bitcoin dropping the way that it is, the way that Ethereum is falling, that is just going to give SOS Limited and these other mining companies more strength when people load up, and that, those stocks are going to explode. Those coins are going to explode, so that's the reason why I'm 10 toes down in SOS Limited. For those out there that may be a little bit shaken up because of what's going on in crypto and what's going on in the stock market, me personally, I'm stone cold when it comes to this shit at the moment. Like, I've literally lost enough money making dumb decisions where that won't happen again, ever. You see what I'm saying? And when it comes to homework, I'm on it. I do my reading. I'll check out some articles. And that's the reason why when it comes to AMC, I don't deal with the technicals because I'm an investor. You see what I'm saying? I look at the patterns. I deal with the psychology. And for me, I was investing in AMC long because of the investors that were jumping in. I knew that they were going to push the stock price up, making it stronger. And then if the squeeze would happen to take place, I knew that GameStop's movement would happen with AMC, because when you put the charts together, they move together. They move almost identical. I knew that. So I knew this could be a 6-7 month play out, maybe even a year, based on what's going on with GameStop. You see what I'm saying? So I knew that I'll be able to make plays back and forth off of GameStop and AMC if I chose to, because of what took place in January with GameStop. You see what I'm saying? So that's how, I decided to move and play things. But when it comes to SOS, like I said, right now, it looks like AMC is going to break out when we open up. Hopefully, we can pass that $77 mark, but I don't want to get distracted. I'm sorry. But that's one of the reasons why, SOS and other stocks in the crypto market right now is being, suppressed, because people are so focused on AMC and what AMC is going to do, and they're not paying attention to other stocks and other coins, when it comes to the exchanges or crypto, when it comes to crypto. So, for those that are 10 toes down in SOS Limited, man, remember, do your own homework, have due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an investing guru, but like I said, man, I think SOS Limited is going to do very, very well. And it's going to leave a lot of people shocked, after they're getting big tech rewards, I'm pretty sure the company is stronger than it's ever been. You got Ethereum 2.0. It might be out. I mean, it's been pushed back, but once that drops, we talking about, better bandwidth. We talking about better use cases for, users. You're talking about faster transaction speeds. I mean, and everybody's building their building off of the Ethereum platform, so it's just mind-boggling what could happen with crypto, because it's still in its infancy. I'm trying to learn as much as I can, man. I'm so new to crypto, that I'm excited every time I hear something new, regardless if it's good or bad, because at the end of the day, we don't know, and just to be a part of it is good enough for me, So, man, remember, man, do your homework. Right now, I'm at 915 shares. I'm trying to get over 1,000, which, I can actually do it. But, I'm trying to just, use this opportunity and capitalize off of with blue chip stocks and, because I'm investing, man. I'm thinking about the long term. I'm not thinking about AMC going to 100,000. You know what I mean? That shit slipped my mind about a month ago, 2 months ago. And I never believed it would. Now, I think it could based on everything that's happened, all the illegal activity. Yeah. But I'm saying, will they let it happen? I don't think so. Now, with the state of crypto and how, it's in its infancy and the way that it can explode, because people going to have arcade money in 5 or 10 years, so I understand that it could. AMC really could. When you got companies like SOS Limited mining crypto and how big crypto is going to be and things like that, and how you have AMC and GameStop kind of like, they're relatives in entertainment. And when you look at GameStop, with NFTs and where it could possibly go, AMC's not not far behind it, because in some way it's, you can kind of, use, digital images, 3D images, 6D, 7D and stuff like that. So I think in some way, shape or form, AMC does have the potential, because it's in the entertainment sector, to, grow in the long term, but we'll see. So I don't want to keep rambling, man, because a lot of this is just running through my head at the moment. And, I planned on just talking about SOS Limited. But, with AMC, man, going the way that it is in the news, and, you have these YouTube content creators talking about it every day, it's kind of taking away the real, about the market and, the investing side of it, and, making sure that you're planning for the future. And it's just it's gambling to me. Like, all this right now is just gambling, and I just rather not be a part of it. And the people that are talking about it just constantly every single day saying the same thing. It's just almost amazing that people can't see this. So, that's all I wanted to talk about, man. If you in SOS Limited 10 toes down, man, do your homework, man. And, I think this could be my next home run. That's just what I feel. That's just my one of my next home runs, because I like to do my research on companies that have the potential, to go long in the future. And after missing out on Riot, Mira, and I can't do this with SOS. After all the bad news and them trying to suppress it, I think SOS is going to blow, man. I'm telling you, if we can get to $30, 30, 40 bucks, that'd be amazing, which it probably would go higher, but, we'll see, man. So, tell me what you feel about SOS Limited, and let me know what you feel about AMC, man, because I think it's taking away, people's focus and from looking at the other side of the market. I mean, it's a lot. I mean, there's plays all over that are bubbling. I'm talking about people are making money, but, everybody's so focused on AMC, I think they're just missing out. I have, in some cases, but, that's just me. So, remember, it's your boy, Robert Valentine, SOS Money Investing. I'm out here.
They out there panicking right now. I can feel it. They out there. They're panicking. Look at them.
Now, you're not naive enough to think we're living in a democracy, are you, buddy? It's the free market. And you're part of it.
Something just came across my desk, John. It is perhaps the best thing I've seen in the last 6 months. If you have 60 seconds, I'd like to share the idea with you. You got a minute?
After everything we've done for you.
Oh, see, I made Lewis a bet here. Lewis bet me that we couldn't both get rich and put you on the poorhouse at the same time. He didn't think we could do it. I won.
I lost. $1.
Thank you, Lewis.
After you.
Certainly.